Friends, today I'll discuss something about Pitru Paksh. Pitru Paksh comes once in a year, like it is for 15 days as per our Indian calendar. Bhadrapad Purnima and Ashwini Mas Krishna Paksh Pratipada to Amavasya time is Pitru Paksh time. During this time, people generally offer pinda to their forefathers. So, in Garud Puran, when Garuddev asked Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu, that how come the departed soul get the pinda from their relatives. So Lord Vishnu explained that first of all, Varuna accept this pinda, and then he offered it to me. I give it to sun god, and the sun god distribute this pinda to that departed souls. So this is a scripture evidence. And also in Ramayana we see when Lord Ram came to know that Dasharatha Maharaj had left the planet, he arranged a grand feast in Pushkar Tirth. So many saints came there, and he honored them with the forest foods like fruits, roots, something like this. Sita Mata was present there, but all of a sudden Sita Mata left the place. So after the feast, when Lord Ram asked Sita Mata, why you left the place? So Sita Mata said that I was very sorry because amongst the saints your forefathers were also present. So I was very sorry because they were being honored with forest foods, and also I feel sorry that how they could tolerate that I am in a sadhu dress. So from this incident also we come to know that whenever we are offering pinda or we are arranging grand feast for the departed soul, the departed souls with the forefathers, they are present in that scene. So Shraddh means Shraddha. That means it is out of love, out of affection we are doing this karma. That's why this is called Shraddha. So basically, when we see Lord Ram also come here, Lord Ram and Sita Mata came here to offer pinda. There is a Ram Shila, there is also Sita Kund, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also came here to offer pinda to his father Jagannath Mishra. Bhim came here, there is Bhim Gaya, and Yudhishthira Maharaj came here, there is Yudhishthira Gaya. So likewise we should also offer pinda to our forefathers. So basically there are three types of debts. This is in Hindi we called it a rin. So three types of debts. One is for demigod, Dev rin. One is for rishi, saints, rishi rin, and one is for pitru rin, for forefathers. So to be free from these types of pitru rin debts, there are three advices. One is to obey obey their instructions when they are alive. And second one is to arrange a grand feast when they are leaving their body, they are leaving this planet. That means at the time of departure, and then to come to Gaya to offer Shraddha, offer Pinda in this holy place of Gaya. So basically in Gaya there is a lotus feet of Lord Vishnu, and whoever come here and then comes here and offer a Pinda, remembering the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu, so he gets the benediction from his forefathers. Actually, our forefathers have done so much for us. So, as a symbol of gratitude, we are grateful to them, and we should offer Pinda to the forefathers as a symbol of gratitude, so that we can get benedictions from them, we can get blessings for them. Thank you so much for watching.